Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm gonna do my take on the palette roulette challenge. For those of you who do not know what this is just a challenge in which you pick a makeup palette and you kind of number the shades and then randomly pick however many shades that you want to use, and then you have to create a look using just those shades. And so I figured this sounds like a really fun video to just kind of have fun in makeup today, and so that is what we are going to do. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette just because this palette has so much going on in it that this is either going to be like the coolest look that I have literally ever done, or it's really gonna look like I have no idea how to do makeup. Like, there's gonna be no in between here, I feel like. So I feel like this is just really going to test my artistry level. And so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm pretty freaking excited. I hope that you guys are too. And if you would like to see my take on the palette roulette challenge, then let's just go ahead and get started. So there are 24 shades in this palette. I'm doing a number generator with, 1 to 24. And I think what I'm gonna do is let's start with 5 shades. And then from there, if I feel like we need another, then we can do that. And the way I'm going to do it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, like you read a book. I feel like that's just gonna be the easiest way for me to keep it all together. Does that make sense? Anyways, so, all right, here we go. Okay, so I went through and I wrote down the names of the shadows that I would need as well. And so our numbers were 16, which is Soaked, so this like deep blue shade. Number 7, this is this shade right here, this cute shade. It's like a minty light green. Number 8 is this peach color right here, which I'm not gonna say that shade name because it's the F word, but that's that. Number 11 is this light blue over here, Brain Freeze. And then 15 was this green right here, Sour. Starting in, I'm gonna go in with this Moda Pro brush. This is their BMX 498 line brush. It is literally like a thicker, what you would call like a eyeliner brush. And I'm gonna take the darkest blue shade, Soaked. Oh wow, we're really just starting, aren't we? And I'm gonna draw a line upon my eyeball. My dog's streaming over there. If his foot ends up kicking the printer, making a very loud noise, I apologize. And I also hope he doesn't do it while I'm trying to draw. So I'm gonna, you're not gonna see, but I'm gonna kind of look down so I can kind of decide, because I feel like this is gonna kind of need to go higher than the crease. So this is where we're at. They are definitely not even, but we're just gonna have to trust the process and keep moving with it, because that's all I can do right now. So I'm going to use this Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to dip into the minty green shade, which is cute, and we are going to blend that out. Maybe I don't know. I'm going to attempt to blend that out. After what felt like hours of my life gone blending, this eye wasn't as bad. This eye was giving me so much trouble. There was like a patchy area out here. It was not cute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I said some choice words. Thankfully, the camera stopped filming before I was literally cussing up a storm in here, y'all. So I went ahead and cut my crease on this side. I'm not gonna lie to you. It doesn't look too bad. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. I'm not gonna sit here and act like it is, but I will say truthfully, I do think this is one of my better cut creases that I have personally ever done. So that in itself is a win. I'm going to try and duplicate it on this side. That's gonna be the real kicker right there. And then I'll do any touch-ups, because I'm noticing right in here that this area is looking just a little undone, just like right there in the crease. I want the blue brought up a little bit more, so I'm gonna fix that. But this is where I am right now. I just wanted to pop on because I didn't record all of the blending because it was taking me so freaking long. I'm getting a little bit of patchiness right here. I'm just gonna take my finger and really, yep, do that. And I'm doing it kind of, I don't know if you can tell, like diagonally. That's where I'm at right now. And then I'm going to take the lightest blue shade, Brain Freeze, which is like that sky blue color, and I'm going to pop this on this like inner portion in here. Okay, so from here, I definitely think I'm going to have to do a little bit of liner. And I think I'm gonna do, this is where my mind's going right now. So I just wanna talk to you guys, like walk you through where my brain is. I think it needs a winged eyeliner, like it just needs something. So I'm gonna do some winged eyeliner. And I think that if I use this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Volume, this like kind of pinky color, to kind of maybe even define my cut crease a little bit more, then that will kind of tie in with the pink that I still have to use somewhere, whether that's inner corner, whether that's lower lash line. I haven't gotten that far yet, because honestly I think like I need to get this on, maybe this at some point. We were gonna need lashes, like it's gonna need some work. So I know I'm definitely going to do some winged eyeliner because it just needs it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop some on. This is my Hank and Henry Slick With It liner in Blickity Black, and I'm gonna put a wing on it, girl. When in doubt, you know, we just gotta wing it out. I swear you guys, this green low-key is playing the poop out of me. I will say, out of all the shades that I've used thus far today, the hardest to work with has been that green shade in Sour. It is like oddly patchy and really weird, and I don't know if it was something that I did, but I can't imagine so, because I used all the other shadows the same way. But anyways, other than that, this is where I am at right now. I popped on a pair of Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos. I did tight line up under there with some black liner. And obviously I went ahead and put the rest of my base on, aside from like blush and highlighter, because I don't know how the rest of the look is going to come together, so I didn't want to jump that far ahead. So out of the 5 shades that were randomly selected, for me, the only one that I have not used yet is this like peachy pink color here. And I'm honestly still not sure how I want this to go, because right now I'm actually really satisfied with the way that the top portion looks. I am very happy with it right this minute. Like, it was a long journey to get here. I have been filming, I kid you not, for probably 2 hours, if not a little bit more at this point. So I'm really satisfied with the way it looks, and I don't want to make a wrong move and then really not like the end result. So part of me is wondering, okay, do I kind of mimic the blue and the green on the bottom and then do the pink as an inner corner? But I'm not going to lie, with the way that this green shade has been treating me this entire time, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, let me zoom you in, but this green shade is patchy as hell, girl. Can you see the little dot areas? Which is funny, because like even out here in the corner, I can't get it to fix itself at all. And I don't know what I did, because I feel like I used all the shadows the same way, but that green shade is like, no, not today, not for you. And so I'm really hesitant to put it on the bottom and have to blend it out, because I have just put so much work into this. And the green shade is the one as well that had the most fallout on my face, and I really don't want to derail all my progress. So part of me thinks I do a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue action on the bottom, and then pull in some colored liner. Like, I got hella colored liner, I don't think I want purple. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay and Basquiat liner in Post Punk. It's obviously this like neon lime green. Oh, I need to sharpen her. So happy with the way this look turned out, you guys. Honestly, other than the green shade, which I don't know why it performed weird the way that it did, but it is patchy, as you can see on both of my eyelids, which is really irritating. But other than that, I am so obsessed with the way that this look turned out, and I am so proud of myself for honestly pushing through and finishing this makeup look, because you guys watched me struggle throughout the video, and as I mentioned, like, cut creases aren't my thing. These colors aren't colors that I normally wear or pair together, and so I'm just so happy that I actually pushed myself, because the end result is something I'm actually very, very proud of. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from your girl. And last but not least, you can also come follow me on Instagram at AlyssaNPope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!